Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for all you fitness enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the 5-pack men's active quick dry crew neck t-shirts. These aren't just any t-shirts, they're the best t-shirts for running and working out. Stick around to find out why. Before we dive into the details, let's get acquainted with our star product. These t-shirts come in a pack of 5 and are designed to elevate your workout game. Made from a blend of 88% polyester and 12% spandex, they offer the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Plus, they're designed in the USA and imported, so you know you're getting quality. So, what makes these t-shirts stand out? Well, let's start with comfort. The quick-drying fabric in these shirts wicks away moisture, keeping you cool and dry throughout your workout. No more sweaty and uncomfortable shirts, these will keep you feeling fresh. See this fabric? It's a game changer. It easily dissipates heat and feels incredibly soft against your skin. Whether you're pumping iron, hitting the track, or just running errands, these shirts have got you covered. But it's not just about comfort, it's about style too. These t-shirts come in a variety of solid colors, making them perfect for layering or wearing solo. Whether you're at the gym or just want to look good on a casual day out, these shirts will give you the confidence you need to crush your workouts and stand out in any setting. Look at these color choices: white, gray, blue, charcoal, and maroon. You can mix and match them to suit your style. Worried about finding the right fit? Don't be. These t-shirts come in a range of sizes from small to 5XL, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone. Plus, the active fit ensures they're not too tight, allowing for a full range of motion. Just refer to the size chart to find your ideal fit. And here's the best part. Even after multiple washes, the colors remain vibrant, and the fabric shows no signs of wear and tear. That's the kind of durability we all want in our workout gear. Bonus point. These t-shirts are from a small business brand, so when you buy them, you're supporting small business owners. It's a win-win. Now, let's talk price. You can get a pack of 5 of these premium athletic crewneck t-shirts for a fantastic price. Considering the quality and versatility, it's a steal. So, there you have it, folks, the best t-shirt for running and working out. The 5-pack men's active quick dry crew neck t-shirts. If you're looking for comfort, style, and performance in your workout gear, this is the product for you. Don't miss out on these incredible t-shirts. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another product review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.